You ever wondered how to get your image onto a coffee mug? We'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson desktop dye sublimation technology. In order to get your image onto a coffee mug, here's what you need: an Epson F170 dye sublimation printer, dye sublimation multi-use transfer paper, a pair of scissors, heat transfer tape, a heat pad, a blank coffee mug, and a mug press. Once you have the finished design for your coffee mug, this is how to send it to the F170 printer. For Windows users, click the Print button. Choose Properties. Select your paper type. For a coffee mug, choose Rigid. Click OK. Then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Choose Printer. Choose Print Settings. Choose your media type. For a coffee mug, choose Rigid. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. And now we're going to trim our paper to size. So we're going to take the image we've trimmed out and now apply it onto our mug. Once we have it in position, we'll grab a couple of pieces of heat transfer tape to stick the paper onto the mug. Now we're ready to place our mug into the press. Simply grab the handle, slide it in place, and close the door to begin. Now that the heat press is complete, we simply open our door, grab our handle, and we can begin peeling away the paper. And now we're done.